Welcome to Mickey and My Crown. This is Hilda, your host. Today we have the second part of the promotional item from DIY Choose. We have two special drills and two regular drills. There's two 30 by 30 and two 30 by 40. Okay, so let's get started. Let's start with the 30 by 40s, okay? They're pretty. They are pretty. Even though they are regular drills, the canvas is a very pretty canvas. These are from DIY Choose. We got the basic toolkit, which you can use for putting the drills in the canvas. They came already packed, already kit up. Okay, all I have to do, if I need to, they have the DMC code. I put a sticker with the DMC code or write it on the bag. Oh, look at those pretty colors that we're gonna have on that canvas. Here it is. I hardly done any flower. I need to do one. And this one is appropriate for the summer. So rose in the beach. This one has 25 colors. Whoa, a lot of colors. They're numbers and letters, no symbols. And they have the DMC code. And take a look at the thumbnail. That's a pretty one, very refreshing. Blueberry sticky. The drill field is very clear. I need to move the table a little bit more. So here it is, the drill field. You're gonna need a light pad for some of the areas. I usually use a light pad, whether it is clear or not. Okay, so and we have the colors as I show you before. 25 colors, 25 beautiful color for the rose and the beach. Okay, so that is that one. That's okay, Mickey. You don't have to pick that up. The next one is another pretty one. They're 30 by 40 round drills. Okay. Again, the toolkit. This one didn't come kit up, but we're gonna see it. Okay, we're gonna see the drills. The other one I didn't show you because I didn't want to disturb the order and thing. This one has 24 colors, again numbers and letters. And this is a pretty one. I like this butterfly. It's like a summer type butterfly. Look at how pretty it is. They have the DMC code. Here is the thumbnail. Okay, this is a pretty clear one, although I will use the light pad anyway. Look at how that beautiful that butterfly is. Very summery. And the flower, I don't know what type of flower is that one, but that's beautiful. I like that one. I like the colors, delicate, like a summery color, you know. For colors, let's start over here. Let's see if we can zoom in or zoom out. Oh, the camera doesn't want to focus today. Let's do it this way. Maybe if I turn one of the lights off. Okay, here we got it. We got it, those blue. Look at the black. Very sparkly drills. Bare minimum dimples. Oh, look at that turquoise. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful on this one. I'll take care of that later. Let's do the special drills now. Oh, it brings me memories. Here it is, the regular toolkit, the basic one. This is a 30 by 30 with 12 special drill. That beetle that you see over there, that brings me memories. By the way, I have a paint by number with a beader like that. When I was stationed in Germany, that was the car that I bought, a Beetle, and it was so good. Yep, it's not outside. As a matter of fact, the canvases have a shimmery to it. But take a look at this. How pretty is this? How pretty, how pretty. Got 12 different shapes. Well, 12 special shapes on different colors and forms. Let's get started. It has some over here. Here it is. Got some crystalline, and we got some of these blue ones, black ones, the orange one. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I don't understand, the camera doesn't want to focus now. Hocus pocus focus. Come on, the words. Here is some of those faceted, big round ones that I like. Marquise, also faceted. This is a super big one. That's completely different. And this one kind of champagne. These are kind of medium size. Medium size. I put these ones in here because these are easier to fold. You can fast forward. Look at how beautiful it is. I like these ones. Here's the next one and the last one. Oh my goodness. Also a 30 by 30, the toolkit, the special drills, this is a truck full of tulips. I got it because I love the tulips. Also bring me good memory. This one have 9 colors. 9 colors of special drills. And if you notice it, even the cars get drilled. At least part of it. They're partials, but they're beautiful. Take a look at this. That's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's see, let's get started. Only 9 this time. Take a look at this. Good flat on the back. Sparkly, shiny rhinestones. That's the same one faceted rounds that I like a lot. These are my keys. AB, are they faceted? I need to know. Let me check. Yes, they are. These are smaller than the other one. And then we got these medium size champagne colors. Another beauty. Another beautiful one. So, well, folks, thank you for watching. This is the second part of DIY shoes. Okay? Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.